Hi, welcome back to Creative Mizar. In 25 rice recipe series, today we are going to make mushroom rice. Let's get started. I've taken here 2.5 cup of cooked rice, 1 box of button mushroom that is 200 grams, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, handful of chopped capsicum, handful of mint coriander leaves, 1 egg, salt as required, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is one method of using eggs to the rice. I have used a different method, a scrambled egg method in chicken fried rice recipe. You can check out that too. Link will be in the description. In a bowl, take egg, add some salt. Remember, we are going to add soy sauce also. So be very careful in adding salt. Squeeze the lemon juice. Beat it very well. We are going to add rice into this mixture. If you are using this method to make the fried rice, make sure to use wok or kadai, which will get super hot. As the egg is coated into each grain of the rice, it will give an amazing texture and a flavor. Try this method out. For best results, use an iron kadai or wok that gets super hot. For any fried rice, always roast the green chilies first and saute the ingredients one by one as shown here. You can add vinegar at this stage. Adding mint and coriander leaves to the mushroom will give an amazing aroma. Add pepper and saute well. Transfer this to a bowl. Now in the same kadai, add some oil, saute some coriander leaves and roast the rice egg mixture. Let it roast in high flame for 5 minutes. Add chopped capsicum, mint and coriander leaves. Add the mushrooms, saute it very well, and as always, serve it piping hot. If you're still watching, please like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch the next video.